Most AI tool videos show you toys. These 5 tools directly put money in your pocket. Every one is used by real businesses making real revenue. Number 5, AI customer service. An AI chatbot on your website or WhatsApp answers customer questions 24/7. Businesses using AI chat see 40% more captured leads because they never miss a message. Number 4, Jasper for marketing. Write ad copy, social posts, and email campaigns in minutes. One user reported cutting their content creation time from 20 hours to 3 hours per week. Number 3, Fireflies for sales calls. Records, transcribes, and extracts action items from every sales call. Never forget a follow-up again. Number 2, Midjourney for product visuals. Generate professional product photos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Cost less than one photo shoot. Number 1, Notion plus Zapier. Automate your entire operations. New lead comes in. Notion creates a project. Zapier sends a welcome email. AI drafts the proposal. Zero manual work. 5 tools that pay for themselves. Affiliate links and free trials in the description. Hit subscribe for more AI business tools.